The base of human relationships is needs and expectations. In any relationship, if needs and expectations are not there, the relationship does not have life. Needs and expectations drive a relationship. One of the need of close relationships is, if I can help you in any way, please ask. कहीं कहीं ना बहुत अपनापन लगता है, like शाजीन was mentioning. क्या तुमको कुछ जरूरत थी, तुमने मुझे याद किया, मजा आ गया. It makes me see my value in your life. जहां अपनापन होता है वहां अपन बिंदास हेल्प मांगते हैं. जहां फॉर्मल रिलेशनशिप है, क्लोज रिलेशनशिप है, लेकिन जजमेंट्स है. जजमेंट है तो अपनापन नहीं है ना, वहां हेजिटेशन होता है. In a relationship, we should be eager to help each other. Genuinity means, like Harshad was saying, if you need help and I come to know of it, you should not even ask me. I should go reach out to you and help you. जब तुम पूछोगे क्यों? जब मुझे मालूम है तुमको हेल्प चाहिए, तो मैं वेट क्यों करूं पूछने का? मैं खुद ही चल के तुमको हेल्प करूं. That is what is genuinity in a relationship all about. None of us can do anything alone in our life. All alone, we will be completely useless. But together, we can create miracles. When you understand this, then help is a beautiful bridge between two people. Asking for help and giving help becomes a beautiful bridge between two people. So you will see this, that me, Joe, Bharti, we will never hesitate before asking for something. एक वहां अपनापन है, दूसरा बहुत genuinity है. I am not asking help from you because I can take you for granted. I am asking help from you because I know we have a close bond. So over here, there are some people who ask help from you because they take you for granted. There you can choose, you want to help or not help. If helping others give you joy, how they in turn treat you, forget about it. If you help because you think in turn you should get respect, value, and if they don't give you that, then you need to have a conversation. Okay, boss, when you need help, you ask and I give. But then you don't recognize me and I cannot take it. I'm not asking for something extra, but it's less like a transaction. You ask for 100 rupees, I give you 100 rupees, then I expect to be paid that money back. I cannot give money and forget about it. So next time if you want my help, ensure that you recognize my help. Otherwise, I won't be able to help you. I need that. It's as simple as that. Forget about right and wrong. There are some people whose nature is selfish. They are people who can't think about you or your priorities. Let's say, for example, the lady of the house. Let's say, for example, Preeti Puranik is here. Now, Preeti is having a headache. She's having stomach ache. She's having cramps. But the husband wants to invite 4 of his friends over. He may not even see and understand the pain she is going through. And he might just say, अरे बहुत दिन बाद मेरे दोस्त मिल रहे हैं, मैं उनको आज शाम को खाने के लिए बना रहा हूं, कुछ तो भी अच्छा बना लेना, ठीक है? He may not even recognize what she's going through. He does not even ask, should I call somebody or not? And then in the night, after taking care of everything, if she says, थोड़ा बर्तन में हेल्प कर दो ना, he says, मेरा आईपीएल चल रहा है, तेरे को मालूम है ना यार, दिन भर का थका हुआ हूं, शाम को थोड़ा रिलैक्स तो करने दे. Then she has to recognize, Baba, this is a different kind of a relationship where मेरा तकलीफ उनको दिखता नहीं है और उनके तकलीफ को दूर करने के लिए मैं तत्पर हूं. Now she has to take a call. Is it her nature to help people and not expect anything? If yes, then go ahead. If no, then you need to communicate and say, boss, when I give you 100 rupees, I expect at least 100 back, if not 110. Otherwise, you do what you can, I will do what I can, but don't take me for granted. Self-pity is not the answer, communication is the answer. A classic mistake that we do is we go into self-pity. मैंने इतना किया, उनको तो दिखा ही नहीं, उसको एक्चुअली में नहीं दिख रहा और तुम कम्युनिकेट नहीं करोगे तो उसको नहीं समझेगा. So go out and communicate what you want and what you expect in relationships. Let the expectations be as crystal clear as possible. It is your responsibility to ensure that in relationships of your life, the expectations are very, very clear. And if you don't do that, it will only cause you pain because the other person anyway is not able to see your pain. There are different kinds of help. And let me tell you why I believe asking for help is a very critical life skill. Like Harshad again beautifully said, if I can solve something, I would like to do it by myself. But if there is an area where I need help, because it might take 3 hours for me and it might take 5 minutes for, let's say, Manisha. Manisha को 5 मिनट लगेगा, मेरे को 3 घंटा लगेगा. मैं मनीषा को क्यों नहीं पूछूं? And I know these 5 minutes is not going to disturb her life, make an upheaval of her life. और वहां प्यार है, अपनापन है, पूछेंगे ना यार. And so is the case with Manisha. If she's going through some complications, some relationship issues, some emotional upheavals, she can attempt to sit and solve it by sitting for hours together. Or she can just send me a message. And then एक issue है, आपके लिए 3-4 मिनट लगेगा, बात करें क्या? मतलब जहां अगर कोई एक्सपर्ट है और वहां अगर अपने को हेल्प चाहिए, मांगो, क्योंकि तुम्हारा बहुत टाइम बचेगा. तुमको प्यास लगी है ना, तुमको खड्डा खोदने की जरूरत नहीं है. जिसके पास कुआं है ना, वहां से जाके पानी ले लो. या अगर कोई बेच रहा है तो वहां खरीद लो. कुआं खोदने की जरूरत नहीं. Now, if you have 10 things to do in life, always remember this. You can spend 3 hours in sorting that out, or you can ask somebody, get it sorted out in 10 minutes. And now you can focus 2 hours and 50 minutes in doing things which are important and progressive for you. In my life, so often I have found a phone call can achieve what years of correspondence and efforts cannot achieve. So often, a phone call can achieve what years of effort is not able to achieve. I was involved in a very beautiful classical thing 3 months ago. We were helping an organization called Jagruti, which trains nurse aides. And we wanted to train about 400 people in these COVID times. And hospitals have a great demand. And training them would require about 50 lakhs. We asked ourselves कि आज के दिन किस इंसान के लिए 50 लाख एक छोटा अमाउंट है. And we realized in Pune city it is Bajaj. So somebody was identified as a person who can reach out. They reached out, asked Bajaj, this is the job, this is the opportunity, these many lives will get changed. Would you like to take up this project? Very happily they said, "अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया चीज है. We have been searching for things like this. In fact, next year, if you want, we can increase it to 10 times this amount also." Now, let's say if I had to earn 50 lakhs to do that, it would take a year. But if I can ask someone who is looking to do something like this, on a phone call, work happens. And then, of course, the process takes over. If I don't ask for help, like some of you are saying, when I have to ask help for somebody else, it's very easy. Yes, because you see a lot of goodness over there. You feel you are a part of something noble. That is why asking help for a third person becomes easy for you. And like some of you said, when you ask help for yourself, it looks like किसी का एहसान ले रहे हैं क्या? A very critical question, a very right question, and here let me give you a very deep answer. Listen very carefully to what I have to say in the next 10 minutes. As a person, I don't mind asking help from anybody. And at the same time, I will not feel obligated to that individual. My obligation in my head is of a different kind. Let's say I ask help from Paresh. Let's say I tell Paresh, darling, ये अपने को सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने का है, तेरा हेल्प चाहिए. And Paresh readily helps me. Now, one way to look at it is, यार परेश ने मेरा हेल्प किया है, अब परेश के लिए अपने को कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Now, this is the obligation mindset. There is another mindset which has worked for me brilliantly well. Today, Paresh helped me. I will ensure somebody in the world gets helped by me. My obligation is to existence. My obligation is to humankind. My obligation may not be towards an individual per se. So when Pankaj was saying, I help somebody, but कल के दिन अगर उसने कुछ unreasonable पूछ लिया तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Paresh is not that kind of a guy, but let's say Paresh asks for something unreasonable. Let's say the batch starts at 6:30 in the evening and Paresh says, Naren, मेरा ये एक friend है, इसको आप 7 बजे आने दो ना क्लास में please. And if my mind works on, oh my God, he helped me once, now what can I do? How can I say no to him? ये तो गलत हो जाएगा. Now this thinking is weak, this thinking is wrong. I know Paresh helped me. He was a medium of existence to reach out to me. I am confident about myself that if Paresh had not helped me, I would have taken help from Dwarkadhish and that work would have happened. If Dwarka had not helped me, I would have gone to Nayan and I would have got help and my work would have happened. If Nayan had not helped me, I would have gone to Prashant and got that thing done. मेरे को खुद के ऊपर ये कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मेरा काम नहीं रुकेगा. 5 मिनट का आधा घंटा लग जाएगा, 10,000 का 1 लाख लग जाएगा, लेकिन अपना काम नहीं रुकेगा. Do I feel for Paresh? Yes. Do I have gratitude for Paresh? Absolutely. Do I feel obligated towards Paresh? No. But what do I get obligated for? Tomorrow if Iris comes to me and says, Naren, ye help chahiye, kar doge kya? That is my way of telling him, when I needed help, you sent a Paresh. And since I was helped, you wanted to use me as a helper to somebody, and therefore you have sent Iris. समझ गया? Existence में अपना हिसाब किताब बरोबर है. If I have asked for help, I am obligated to help people. I will not feel obligated to help to a person. Of course, tomorrow if Paresh needs a help which is very, very reasonable, it is in my control, I will also go out of my way to help. So Surbhi was saying that she may not go out of her way. I am saying I may go out of my way. Because it's my nature to help. So I like to go out of my way. That gives me a sense of purpose and value and commitment. करेगा ना मैं, लेकिन दुनिया में कोई ताकत ऐसी नहीं है जो मुझसे कुछ गलत करवा दे, वो नहीं होगा. So Paresh helped me as one person. I will ensure I help at least 5 more. I will help a Nayan, I will help a Dheeraj, I will help an Ajay, I will help a Suparna, I will help a Naina, I will help a Sandesh, I will help a Manmohan. Because परेश ने हेल्प किया था जब मुझे जरूरत है. आज अगर किसी की जरूरत है और मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूं, मैं करता रहूंगा, इसका हिसाब किताब भी नहीं रखूंगा. Because I understand this is how life works. And if I have helped Nayan, if I have helped Ajay, if I have helped Naina, if I have helped Sandesh, if I have helped Manmohan, they in turn will become better human beings and help somebody else out there tomorrow. And this is how goodness will get multiplied in this world. So when Suparna might help her husband may not help Suparna back. But a Dr. Neeraj Raite will help her. A Naren will help her. Now, Neeraj and Naren may not need some help back from her in turn, and the help which is needed might be her husband. She is carrying it forward. She is passing on the goodness that she has received. We become like the moon. The moon gets the sunlight from the sun, but the sun does not need that light back from the moon, so the moon gives it back to people on earth. It receives that light from one sun, in turn it gives light to millions on earth. We give one seed to the ground and the ground gives back 10,000 seeds to the world. My teachers in school taught me a lot, not just subjects, but attitudes to live life. I may not be able to help them back in turn. But today, through Keep Moving movement, we will reach out to thousands of children. See help as a cycle. Don't see help as one-to-one. The clouds collect water from some other place and they drop their water in some other place. 70% of earth is covered by water and the clouds collect water from that 70%. And in turn, it showers the water on the land mass where you and me need it. Pune does not give so much water to the clouds, but the cloud gives so much water to Pune. But the clouds have collected water from Indian Ocean, from Bay of Bengal, and showered it on Pune. Help is not unidirectional 1:1. Help is cyclical. This world is beautiful because of the willingness of people to help each other. If I help you only because you help me, then I have a very narrow band of life. Very, very narrow band of life. But because you help me, I develop the nature to help. Then my band of life is actually wide. So don't come under the pressure of obligation of people who have helped you. You in turn help enough people. So let's say a company gives Vijay Rathi a break and says, चलो ठीक है, ये माल जो है ना, ये मैं तुमको देता हूँ. बाजार मेरे को 1 महीने में पेमेंट देती है, तुम मेरे को 3 महीने में पेमेंट दो, because you are a nice human being. And Vijay needed that company's products for him to go to the next level. It adds a lot of strength to him. The goodness of one human being helped Vijay, let's say, in increasing his business to double. Now, Vijay should not think, oh my God, now I have to help that person forever. Yeah, that you do. But now if Vijay says, यार एक इंसान ने मेरे को हेल्प किया, अगर मैं पहले समझ लो 1 लाख कमाता था, अब मैं 3 लाख रुपए कमा रहा हूं. दुनिया में कुछ ऐसे इंसान होंगे जिनको पैसे की जरूरत है, जिनको पढ़ाई के लिए पैसे की जरूरत है, तबीयत के लिए पैसे की जरूरत है. कोई एक इंसान मेरी जिंदगी में माध्यम बनाए ना, इन टर्न मैं दूसरों की जिंदगी में माध्यम बनूं. नाउ विजय सेज, यार हर साल अपने को कम से कम 100 बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. गरीब बच्चे, बजट पर चाइल्ड लेट्स से 10,000. अभी अपना 10 लाख का बजट है, हर साल अपन 10 लाख रुपया बच्चों को पढ़ाने में लगाएंगे. Now because of that business deal, Vijay let's say earns 50 lakhs. In turn, he is now a medium for 10 lakhs to reach 100 different families. One of those people tomorrow will go on to become an IAS officer. That person in turn will help another 20,000 people. And this is how the cycle of goodness continues. Now, Vijay is not helping those 100 people expecting that these 100 people in turn will come and work in his shop. And if normally he pays to people 15,000 per month, these people should come and work for 13,000 per month. Then it was not help. Then it was a business strategy. In help, I'm thinking about, will the other person be able to prosper? Will they be able to develop? Is this what they require? And for some reason, is he making me the medium? करते हैं ना. Help is cyclical. Help is not unidirectional. Do not see help, which includes if you help someone. Now don't live under this expectation कि मैंने उसको हेल्प किया तो मुझे जब चाहिएगा वो मेरे को हेल्प करना चाहिए. नेकी कर दरिया में डाल. तुम अच्छा करो और आगे बढ़ो. तुमको कहीं और से मदद मिलेगी जब तुमको लाइफ में चाहिए. I am a very, very big believer in this. That when I do good and forget about it, somehow from somewhere existence knows how to balance it out. When I need help, there will be somebody who will come and help me out. So I help a Sandesh. Tomorrow Sandesh may not be in a position to help me back. But Teja will come and help me. An IAS officer who is traveling with me now, that fellow will help me. Somebody else somewhere will come and help me. It's not unidirectional through me also. So if I help Sandesh, I should be able to help and say, चलो एक मौका मिला, अच्छा हुआ ना उसका, बहुत बढ़िया है. If I think Sandesh is now obligated, बहुत भार हो जाएगा इधर दिल में, बहुत प्रेशर हो जाएगा इधर. अरे मैंने सिद्धू को भी हेल्प किया था, उस दिन तो मैंने मनीषा को भी हेल्प किया था, अरे मैंने तो आयरिस को भी हेल्प किया था, संदेश को भी हेल्प किया था. बहुत ईगो हो जाएगा. Helping others and expecting them to help you back in turn is ego. Helping others and praying they should benefit out of it and forgetting about this is gratitude. Is goodness as your character. So I repeat, help is cyclical, help is not unidirectional. So some of you who have been working with Keep Moving Movement closely, you would remember there was a speaker that we had called Rati Forbes. And Rati is also on the board of Keep Moving Movement. She's right now the chapter chair of an organization where I am also a part called SVP. And this entire Bajaj work happened through Rati. I called Rati a few days back and said, Rati, you are the chair. I would like to offer you 1 hour every day for the work that you do for social work. मेरे से रोज का 1 घंटा आप मांग लो for anything in social work. And I would love to do it as long as you are the chair. You have another 1 year, 365 hours of mine is yours. कभी भी मांग लो. And I offer it and leave it. And no obligation from her towards us. That's the way to help. Help is not unidirectional. Help is always cyclical. So if I help Vijay and I expect Vijay to help me, I help Renu and I expect Renu to help me back, वो रिलेशनशिप में बहुत क्रूकेडनेस आ जाएगा, बहुत तकलीफ हो जाएगी, बहुत ईगो हो जाएगा. I help Vijay and Renu, and tomorrow if I need some help from Dwarka, I call Dwarka, Dwarka helps me. Because life becomes circular. And in turn, tomorrow Vijay might go and end up helping Dwarka. तीनों की जरूरत अलग थी, तीनों की ताकत अलग थी, तीनों ने अपने अपने को हेल्प किया. Everyone is better off. And that is how things work out. So I don't hesitate in asking for help. I ask for help shamelessly. And that creates in me a huge drive to help enough people in turn. The more I ask for help, the more I will be able to help others. So that's why I'll ask for help at any given point of time. It pushes me to become a better human being. So a very simple formula for asking help. When you ask somebody for help, it must make you a better human being. If you can do that, help becomes an awesome way to live life. When we started training in Pune in 1999, a few people whom I had helped in different ways before 1999 came together and said, Naren is going to Pune. He needs our help. Let's go to Pune. 10 people landed up in Pune and said, you are starting training, right? I have a distant relative of mine. I have a cousin of mine. I have a college friend of mine. I have my neighbor's relative in Pune. We'll come and we'll talk to them. Darlings, it was so incredible, so incredible. A guy called Sunil Sanklecha, whom I have not directly helped ever in my life. But Sunil had a friend called Sandeep Mehta whom I had helped. Sandeep needed certain things through connections and I had those connections. So I told Sandeep, "Arey, main karda na tere, ek phone hi to lagega apna." And I had called an IT officer who was fond of me and I said, "वो मेरा दोस्त है संदीप, उसके कुछ issues है, आप जरा help कर दोगे क्या?" He said, "तेरा दोस्त है क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, उसको बोलना निश्चिंत रहेगा." A complicated IT case where they could have lost lakhs of rupees over a chai, it got sorted. Now Sandeep told all his friends, यार नरेन ने ऐसे हेल्प कर दिया, नरेन ने ऐसे हेल्प कर दिया, कुछ भी मांगा नहीं, कुछ भी बोला नहीं. Sunil is one of his friends. And when we started training in Pune, Sunil said, नरेन पुणे जा रहा है क्या? वही नरेन ने जो उसने तेरे को हेल्प किया था. मेरे एक दूर के कजिन है उत्तम चंद जैन, सोनार है, ज्वेलर है, मैं जाके उनको पटाता है बैच करने के लिए. He came from Chennai to Pune, stayed in Pune for 2 days, went to Uttam's house and sat down and said, आपको ये कोर्स करना है. उत्तम is a मतलब ज्वेलर मारवाड़ी. He says, अपने को कोई जिंदगी के बारे में क्या सिखाएगा? एंड सुनील इज सेइंग बॉस तुम ये कोर्स करो तुम्हारा लाइफ बदल जाएगा. ही सेज यार क्या बदलेगा मेरा लाइफ. एंड जोकिंगली सेड मेरी वाइफ है ना मेरा लाइफ बदलने के लिए, रोज मेरे को बोलती रहती है कहां बदलना चाहिए कहां बदलना चाहिए कहां बदलना चाहिए. तो मेरे को और एक चाहिए क्या बोलने के लिए कहां बदलना चाहिए. देन सुनील सेड भाई मैंने तेरा पैसा पे कर दिया 6,000 रुपए. एंड देन ही डिड अ डील विद उत्तम एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग डील. ही टोल्ड उत्तम तू बैच कर, अगर तेरे को बैच अच्छा नहीं लगा तो मैं तेरे को डबल पैसे दूंगा. इसे 6,000 का कोर्स है, मैं 6,000 दे चुका हूं नरेंद्र को. तू बैच करने जा, तेरा टाइम बहुत कीमती है. मजा नहीं आया ना, मैं तेरे को 12,000 रुपए दूंगा. मजा आया तो मेरे को मेरा 6,000 वापस दे देना. नहीं मजा आया तो 12,000, मजा आया तो 6,000. ना तो उत्तम ज्वेलर सेड ये तो ठीक है, सोना अगर अच्छा निकला तो मेरा, खराब निकला तो तुम डबल पैसा दोगे. बोले हाँ. सुनील gave me 6,000 rupees and said नरेंद्र ये उत्तम का पेमेंट है और मेरे को आपके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस. And that's how this lovely human being called Uttam Chand Jain came to do the batch, convinced that he has to go and tell Sunil back कि यार मजा नहीं आया. And his reasoning was Monday Thursday का बैच है, Monday सोनिया मारुति चौक ऐसे ही बंद रहता है और जाके कहीं अपनी कमाई भी होगी तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Later on, 17 people from his family did the batch. So see how it goes. I help a Sandeep. Sandeep shares with his friend. The friend says, अच्छे इंसानों को तो हेल्प करना चाहिए. He comes all the way to Pune, is not able to convince logically, and gives an offer, understanding कि बेटा ये व्यापारी आदमी है, कौन सा ऑफर दिया तो इसको समझेगा. You know, some of you also would have felt helpless sometimes. You're not able to convince people कि भाई तू बैच कर ना, तेरे को बहुत फायदा होगा. वो सामने वाला समझ ही नहीं रहा है. And look at this game that he played. नहीं पसंद आया 12,000. In fact, right now, if you give the same offer to somebody, it is पसंद आया तो 32,000 दे देना, नहीं तो 64,000 में तेरे को दूंगा. अभी तो वैल्यू भी बढ़ गई. And see that through Uttam, then 17 more people benefited. Where a help to Sandeep ended up in so many people living a transformed life. And when we did batch 100 at called Uttam, and Uttam came with the notes that he had written from batch 1. And he said, Naren, ये notes अभी भी मैं पढ़ता हूं. I said, यार कोई भी तरह का नोट हो, तेरा उसके संग रिलेशनशिप बहुत अच्छा रहता है. Now over here was goodness unidirectional, circular. Nobody is obligated to anybody, but everybody sees an ability to help someone as an opportunity to make this world a better place to live in. So see helping others as an opportunity to make this world a better place to live in. Asking for help is an opportunity to make this world a better place to live in. If you don't ask for help, you are stopping the flow of goodness. And I'm speaking about not useless help, not selfish help, genuine help. कभी कभी खुद को पैम्परिंग करने के लिए हेल्प, क्या दिक्कत है? यार मेरे को ड्राइविंग करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, विजय चलना यार, अपने को लोनावाला जाना है, मैं अकेला नहीं जाएगा, चलना मेरे साथ. I see asking for help as a beautiful way to make this world a better place to live in. And it's my responsibility. Then we travel together. It has enough moments of joy, masti, fun. So when you ask for help, you have two responsibilities. One, do not take that help for granted. And two, ensure this world is a better place because somebody helped you. फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं. फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं। और पहले ना अपने ऐसे ही होता था, घर में धनिया नहीं है, पड़ोसी से जाके धनिया ले आओ। घर में चाय नहीं है, पड़ोसी से जाके चाय पत्ती ले आओ। अदरक नहीं है, नींबू नहीं है, पड़ोसी से जाके लेके आ जाओ। और फिर देखो, कभी मम्मी घर में नहीं है, 4:30 बजे हम लोग घर आए हैं, तो पड़ोसी के घर में चले जाते हैं, वहीं बैठ के नाश्ता कर रहे हैं, वहीं बैठ के शाम को 7 बजे मम्मी आई ना, खाना पीना सब हो गया, मम्मी को चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं। अभी 4 पड़ोसी है जिस फ्लैट में रहते हैं, लेकिन किसी के घर नहीं जाते। I want to start one movement. Ask for dhania from your neighbors. कितना अच्छा मूवमेंट होगा। हर हफ्ते कम से कम पड़ोसी के जाके एक कुछ मांग के आओ। तुम लोग MG हेक्टर मत मांगना, लेकिन धनिया, पुदीना, नींबू, अदरक, और घर में जो बनता है ना, वो छोटा सा कटोरी में डाल के सामने वाले को दे दो। मतलब पहले यही तो होता था ना, घर में कुछ अच्छा बना है, पड़ोसी को भेज दो। जैसे हमारे यहाँ एक करनानी आंटी रहती हैं, we stay in D101, she stays in D1301. Every Holi when she makes kanji vada, she sends it across to me. And she says, नरेन ना बड़े चाव से खाता है कांजी वड़ा। मैं कांजी वड़ा बनाती हूँ ना, उसके बारे में सोच के बनाती हूँ, है ना, सन से हमारे बारे में नहीं सोचती हूँ। बोले नहीं, कांजी वड़ा के लिए तो नरेन के बारे में सोचती हूँ। मतलब प्यार मोहब्बत इसी से तो बढ़ता है। लेंगे नहीं, देंगे नहीं, तो बनेगा क्या? तुम धरती को बीज दोगे तभी तो 10,000 बीज बचेंगे। बॉटल में रखोगे, क्या करोगे? Believe in this word called help. There's nothing to be ashamed of when you ask for help. See it as an instrument to strengthen relationships. बोल दो ना पड़ोसी को कि यार मेरा बच्चा है, जरा उसको आज खाना खिला दो। कौन सा पड़ोसी बोलेगा सॉरी नहीं कर सकते, स्विगी करो? अरे उनको अच्छा लगेगा, अरे हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जरूर। और नॉर्मली उनके घर में 2 चीज बन रही होगी, उस दिन 5 चीज बनेगी। कितना अच्छा लगता है। Make help as a part of your lifestyle. Have a heart which ensures that the help is passed on. Don't hesitate in asking for help. And never hesitate before giving help. Mother Teresa would say, nobody in the world became poor by giving. Nobody in the world became poor by giving. Final thing which emerged with a few discussions. What if people see me weak? If you explain the context properly, they will not see you as weak. And in case they see you as weak, it was not a genuine relationship. It's okay. It's okay. So let's say some of you every now and then might need some financial help. कहीं पैसा अटक गया है, कहीं रोटेशन नहीं है, कहीं कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मांग लो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? And if we explain the context, everybody understands. One of those days you are feeling very emotional and you just want to share your pain with somebody. Ask for help. यार दिल थोड़ा भरा हुआ है, किसी से दिल की बात करनी है, बैठना। They will see value in the relationship. They won't see you as weak. Shazin was so spot on right when she said, Some people will cherish you more because you asked for help. They might become overwhelmed because you thought them worthwhile to ask for help. उनसे नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं. They are not rejecting you. When somebody says no to you for help, they are not saying no to you. They are saying sorry, they don't have the ability to help you the way you need right now, which is okay. So this is the final thing. You will have the capacity to ask for help when you can say no for an answer. If you cannot take no for an answer, then you won't be able to help people. Neither will you be able to take help. So if I ask for some help, let's say from Rajesh, and if Rajesh says, Naren, nahi ho payega, and if I mind that, if my heart is so weak, yaar, mere ko usne mana kaise kar diya? Then neither will I be able to take people's help, nor will I be able to give enough people help. Then my life is a very narrow structure, largely self-centered. Nothing wrong about it, but I am not making this world a better place to live in. होगा कोई वजह जिससे राजेश ने हेल्प कराया, क्या प्रॉब्लम? मैं परेश को पूछूंगा ना, मैं अनिल को पूछ लूंगा ना, मैं आलोक को पूछ लूंगा, मैं सुभाष को पूछ लूंगा, मैं श्रीपाल को पूछ लूंगा. काम ही तो करना है ना. मैं श्रीकांत को पूछ लूंगा, यार श्रीकांत कर सकता है क्या? हो सकेगा तो कर देगा, नहीं हो सकेगा तो कोई बात नहीं. अपने को तो काम करना और अपना काम रुकेगा नहीं. 10 लोग मना करें कोई इशू नहीं है, एक से तो हेल्प चाहिए. कोई गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में तो जानेगा नहीं है पीपल हु टुक हेल्प फ्रॉम द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पीपल. एक इंसान ने हेल्प किया, अपना काम सॉल्व होता है ना. सो इफ आई कैन लिसन टू अ नो, then I can make this world a very beautiful place to live in. If I don't have the ability to listen to a no from people and I see it as personal rejection, फिर ना तो मैं हेल्प ले पाऊंगा ना दे पाऊंगा. क्योंकि लेने जाऊंगा तो तकलीफ होती है, देने जाऊंगा तो मेरे मन में ऑब्लिगेशन बन जाएगा. मैंने हेल्प किया ना किसी को, नाउ दे शुड हेल्प मी. Then that darkness still remains. I don't see it as cyclical, I see it as unilateral. And that is destructive. So I believe asking for help is not a sign of weakness at all. It might be showing a weak moment that I have, but that does not make me weak as a person. And it's okay to have weak moments in life. Asking help is a very important social skill. Very, very important social skill. Develop the ability to ask help and develop the ability to help as many people as you can. Just through this, we will make this world a much, much better place to live in. So let me conclude by saying these are very difficult times for some families, where COVID has brought some challenges which we are not used to or which is directly affecting us. Let's say Vikas Bhau is in retail industry, car accessories. And if COVID is there, he's not able to do any work. He has to pay salaries, he has to pay EMIs if any. Children are growing, they are going into higher colleges, big expenditures. A difficult phase. And in these times, there will be weak moments. पता नहीं क्या होगा. And in these times, we should seek help. It's okay if you call someone and say, यार अंदर थोड़ा conflict चल रहा है. Sometimes you don't need advice. You just need to voice it out. And as you speak, you're able to find solutions by yourself. Ask for help. You are a good human being, and many people will love to help you to the best of their abilities. Give people an opportunity to help you, and in turn, become the opportunity of help for enough people out there on this planet. I repeat once again two things. One, by taking help and by giving help, you can make this world a better place to live in. And two, help is not unilateral. It is not unidirectional. It is not me helping Girish and Girish helping me helping Bhavna, Bhavna helping me. See help as cyclical. Bhavna will help me, I will help Naresh, Naresh will help Ritesh, Ritesh will help Satish, Satish will help Sunil. And one of those days, unknowingly how the circle is getting completed, Sunil will end up helping Bhavna. And Bhavna did not even realize it started with she helping Naren. She has no way of understanding how this has come back to her. You stand in front of a mountain and you say, love you. Now you don't understand what is the mechanics over there by which that love you comes back to you threefold. But that's how life is. So I am a very, very big believer in being shameless in asking for help. And I have the strength to shamelessly help enough people in turn with no obligation and no expectations at all. So be that medium which makes this world a better place to live in. The way a river does not mind taking water from as many tributaries as possible, and therefore gathers the strength to irrigate millions and millions of hectares of land. Similarly, if we depend only on ourselves, if Ganga depends on Gangotri for its size, then its work and impact will be insignificantly small. But when Ganga does not mind taking water from so many tributaries which gives water to it, then by the time it reaches Calcutta Hooghly, it becomes 1.5 kilometers wide and irrigates millions of hectares of land. So Ganga is not taking that water and keeping it for itself. It takes to give. So be that Ganga who does not mind a Jamuna giving some water, who does not mind some other tributary giving water. But the intention is, I will in turn help enough other people. Make help cyclical. I wish and pray that this was helpful to you.